Hi Manipur, this is Kuikant. On behalf of the Art and Literature Fest Orange Festival Edition, I would like to remind you that our online competitions are already opened and ongoing. So this is the chance to participate and showcase your creativity. Our online competitions include poetry writing, essay writing, and short story writing competitions open to all across the Manipur. And also we have a fun photography competition open exclusively for the Tamenglong district. All details and guidelines are available at the official Orange Festival Instagram page. And that's not all. Join our exciting on-the-spot competition happening as day event on 17, 18, and 19 December at RBCC Complex Tamenglong, which includes oral storytelling, poetry recitation, and costume competition for children aged 5 to 14 years. And don't miss this opportunity. Register, participate, and let your voice, creativity, and confidence shine. Be a part of the Art and Literature Fest where young talents is celebrated and stories come alive. See you at the Art and Literature Fest Tamenglong Orange Festival Edition. Tunku Thé.